Well, winds took down power lines, too, across Trumbull County. Some people are still without power tonight. A little more than 100 people in Trumbull. Crews are working to fix the damage that the high winds left behind. First News reporter Nadine Grimley is in Trumbull County to show us the damage there.
Here on Central Parkway in Warren, as you can see behind me, the road was closed this afternoon as crews work to restore power.
They got out here pretty fast, so I give it to them. They always come out here pretty quick. Other than that, hopefully it's on sometime today.
Ohio Edison crews work to fix a utility pole and its lines, all taken down by a tree this morning when winds came roaring through.
It sounded like a tornado, actually.
The way the wind was blowing this morning.
Yeah. We took the dogs on, they were up in the air.
Bradley Royak of Cortland was seriously hurt when he was hit by a car trying to remove a tree that fell across Bradley Brownlee Road in Fowler. In Vernon, firefighters were called to handle smoke in a home they say was caused by an electric short when a tree and utility pole toppled over.
We ended up with all these bad winds and everything that came through, a lot of trees, wires down throughout the township and actually throughout the northern part of the county.
Even the sign on Brookfield's Green warned folks of the blustery conditions. In Trumbull County, Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.